This is the East Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, October the 27th. Key points to go through is we're looking for breezy conditions today with precipitation arriving in the mountains tonight. That precipitation will overspread the area, mainly staying in the higher elevations. We are still looking at cold and unsettled weather continuing for much of this week. Just looking at our satellite image this morning, you see some high clouds starting to enter the area. That's ahead of our strong cold front, which you can also see has just moved onshore to the Oregon coast. The weather risk outlook, still looking at some breezy conditions across the area and out, of course, the central mountains where they're still fighting some wildfires. That could create a few dangerous spots up there potentially. Looking at our high temperatures for today, once again warm across most of the area with temperatures generally in the 60s to around 70 degrees. In terms of winds today, peak wind gusts generally in the 20 to 30 miles per hour range. Once again, watch out in the central mountains if you're dealing with those wildfires up there. Looking at our snowfall totals for tonight, very light snowfall totals, generally up in the central mountains, around an inch or less of snowfall occurring up there tonight. Looking at our high temperatures tomorrow, be noticeably colder, about 20 degrees colder on average across much of the region. Seeing temperatures generally around 50 or if not in the 40s in many locations. Still a little breezy on the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. Here we'll see gusts in around 20 to potentially 30 miles per hour in some parts. And looking at our snowfall during the day on Monday, generally confined across the central mountains into the Island Park area, up in the still up in the hills, up in the upper terrain, but pretty light amounts, generally an inch or less of snow up in those areas. As we go into Monday night, we will start seeing more cold air starting to pour into the region, and we could see some light snow try to work down the Snake Plain as well and into the lower elevations. Once again, not looking at a whole heck of a lot out of this. We're not expecting any travel issues with any of this, but there could be a little bit of a light dusting perhaps on the grass by Tuesday morning from some light snow that drifts through the region overnight. So just to conclude, we have breezy conditions today, precip arriving in the mountains tonight, cold and unsettled weather continuing for much this week. And that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.